Admiral, what happened?
The Death Star simultaneously exploded.
Look. There's an X-Wing. It's the rebels. They did this.
Stormtroopers, carry on with the execution.
Any last words before you die?
No, 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 no. Please don't kill me. Have mercy on me.
Too bad. Prepared.
Don't worry. This is the Rebel Alliance. We're here to help you.
Thank you so much.
Hello, this is a BBC World News special report. I am Lawrence Smith. Hugh is still taking cover from this battle. Anyways, the news today is very good news. The Galactic Empire's weapon, the Death Star, has exploded. When the Death Star exploded, small X-shaped winged fighters came from that space station. Here is Brian for this astounding news. Brian?
Thank you, Lawrence. I am standing right near Tower Bridge, where the area is entirely controlled by the rebels. I hear that after the Battle of London, the leaders of the Rebel Alliance will have a speech for the entire world to hear. Anyways, I am seeing that the X-winged fighters are identified as T-65 X-wings from the movie Star Wars. The X-wings are currently flying off to destroy the TIE fighters. And to let you know, the Galactic Empire has kidnapped me and took me on board Superstar Destroyer Executor to be executed, but before the Stormtroopers had a chance to kill me, the rebel troops killed the Stormtroopers, and saved me.
Thank God that you are safe. The rebel troops are getting very close to liberating London from Imperial control.
Please stand by for an administrative message.
Hello, people of Earth. This is the Rebel Alliance. I am Luke Skywalker. I am with my friends, Han Solo, Princess Leia, Chewbacca, R2-D2, C-3PO, and Lando Calrissian. We are here to bring an end to the Galactic Empire. With our help, we can persevere. Everyone on Earth, we will support you. We will fight for your planet, and we will restore freedom to the Earth, along with the galaxy. Thank you.
That was the administrative message. Please stand by for more updates on this event.